everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your online interior design business. If you run an online interior designing business, then manually responding to all the queries and collecting dimensions and sending consultations can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will automate this whole process on our behalf. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example, and for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, I'm going to send hi. And our chatbot responds us with, "Hi there, I'm your virtual design assistant. How can I help you today?" And it has provided us 3 options. I'm going to select the first one, room dimensions, and it is asking me for room length and width, so I'm going to respond with -- as a dummy response, and it will respond us with, "We have received your dimensions as --". Next, I'm going to click on mood boards, and it has provided us some style inspirations like modern look, rustic vibes, and minimal style. I'm going to select the last option as consultation, and our chatbot responds us with, "For consultation, you can call us on this number anytime." So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to create it, you have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on sign in, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities, and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations, and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs, or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created, so when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled, so I'm going to rename it as WhatsApp Chatbot for your online interior design. On the screen, there's a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression, and it is a special pattern of characters which can activate the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format, which is this. You can also enable toggle for case-sensitive regex. When you click on Choose Template, you get a list of all the approved templates. You can choose any template. Now we are going to curate a message with text button. Here I've added this message, and here I'm adding the star signs because it will make the text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable. Now with the help of add button, I'm going to add some quick reply options like this. Now we have to curate a response for each one. Let's begin with room dimensions, and for this I'm going to access the action type notes, and then I'm going to click on ask question to get a question box. I'm going to place it here and connect it to the responding quick reply option, and here I'm going to ask room dimensions like this. And then in the contact custom fields, I'm going to select add, and as format I'm going to select any, and then I'm going to curate a confirmation message with the help of text button. Here I've added this message: we have received your dimensions as $add. The add was our contact custom field, and $sign will make sure that it gets replaced by the actual dimension sent by the user. I'm going to move on to the next option that says mood boards, and for this I'm going to access the text button, and here I'm going to add this. Our message will look like this to the user. And lastly, I'm going to curate a response for consultation, where I'm going to add all the contact details from which the user can call and consult from us like this. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for online interior design. If you want to create the same, you can follow the same procedure as I've shown in this video. And once you have created your flow, you can save it from here. And once the flow is updated successfully, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.